Hello everyone. Previously we had discussed about the advanced promise all settled and race condition. So we had discussed only on the promise dot all settled. Today let's discuss about the race condition. So promise dot all settled basically as I had said earlier, it resolves after all the promises complete regardless of success or failure as I had said. So handling race conditions requires careful synchronization, right? So let's see the same thing, how to avoid the race conditions, right? So I'll just consider a quick example here. I'll just take the data as the variable name. Let me assign this one to the empty array. Let me quickly give here promise dot all. Within this one, let me make use of the array, right? So I'll quickly give here fetch slash API, this one slash 1. So I'll just make use of then and result. Let me give here data dot push of res result. I put the comma here. Let me make use of fetch again. So here let me give slash API fetch something like 2. So you can just pass the API over here. So for the just example sake, I'm just showing you right here. I'll just give here. Let me make use of then again. I should have copied the same thing and made the changes right here. It's fine. Just give your data dot push of result again. So here after this, let me make use of then again. Let me log something here. So I'll just give console log of data. So we'll not get any this thing basically output here. We are not passing the real API or we are not dealing with the APIs, right? So even if I try to run here, this will give us error basically. So this is just for the example sake, right? So what we are doing here basically, we are doing means we are going with the simultaneous fetch. You can see here I have made use of the fetch twice. So we are going with the simultaneous fetch basically, which ensures all the fetches complete. Again I'm telling, we are making use of the simultaneous fetch here. You can clearly see we are making use of the simultaneous fetch, nothing but the two fetch operations we have called here. So we are going with the simultaneous fetch, which ensures all the fetches complete. And also what will be the order of push? It might vary, requiring careful handling, right? Here order of the push might vary, requiring the careful handling. So this is the simple example of how to avoid the race conditions. So we saw with the simultaneous fetch as well as the order of push, right? So I hope the concept of avoiding the race conditions is completely clear. So you can just try with the real APIs as well within the VS Code. So this works absolutely fine, right? So this is it for the concept of how to avoid the race conditions, right? So next we will be dealing with the advanced script loading. Nothing but we will see how to make use of the defer and async, right? So for now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.